it's not for fun when you see all of these motivation videos on YouTube that all of them say model success, right? And then you'll be like, but Philip, I don't want to be a copycat. Shut the fuck up. Okay, you're not a copycat, right? But you just model success. Think about it. How many cameras have there been made? The first ever camera that was created, how many times do you think somebody modeled that idea and made it better? And then a better, and then better, and better, and better, and better. It comes with anything, lights, tables, chairs, you name it, ships, cars, okay? The very first car, how many times have that been modeled and just been better and better? Then Ferrari made a sports car, the very first sports car. Guess what? Lamborghini took the same idea, right? And turned it into something, in my opinion, better, right? So, Jeff Bezos even did it, right? With his bookstore. So, he just took an idea and made it better. And you do the same. So whatever you see, if you find 3 or 5 people on social media, you see what they're doing, you mimic it and just turn it a little bit better, right? Okay? So if I should start with no money, if I had no money, if I was broke, if I was living on the street, right? I will find these 3 or 5 people that have done what you want to do, and then you model exactly what they do, okay? And you, if you put in the work, you will get the similar results as they got. $10 million award, man.